In this video, you are going to know which cryptocurrencies might explode and make you a lot of money in 2021. Maybe you are in college and you want to make some money on the side. Maybe you have a little child and you want another income stream to ensure his saving plans in the future. And maybe you are just a guy who wants to make more money and afford yourself the things you have always wanted but never had the money to own. If you have any plans to invest and make money this year, we have good news for you. According to many crypto experts, 2021 might be the best year to make tons of money from cryptocurrencies. But with more than 7,000 cryptocurrencies in the market, choosing the best one can be very hard and confusing. Doing your own research can be time-consuming, and it is very difficult to sort the worthy ones from the unfruitful ones. So, we made this video to help you out. We have gathered the top 10 cryptocurrencies that are expected to explode in 2021 and make an even bigger impact in the years to come. But you should remember that there is no single cryptocurrency we could point out as the best one. There is simply too much to choose from, and the list keeps growing. Many cryptocurrencies are great for investment, but it depends on what you are looking for and what your goals are. One another thing to consider is the level of experience you have. For instance, some cryptocurrencies might be a good investment for newbies, while others are more suitable for more expertised crypto traders. So which cryptocurrencies might explode in 2021? Number 1, Bitcoin, BTC. Let's start with the obvious. When talking about the hottest cryptocurrency to invest in right now, all discussions should start with Bitcoin. Why that? Well, it's because Bitcoin is the most used cryptocurrency right now, often named the Lord of cryptocurrencies. You probably know that the main goal of Bitcoin is to become a global peer-to-peer digital cash that is detached from any form of government or central bank regulation. Bitcoin was also the first cryptocurrency, and some of the experts actually believe it would be the last one standing. Other than that, another main reason to keep Bitcoin on your investment radar is its liquidity. You will have no problem buying or selling Bitcoin because people are buying and selling it non-stop. There will always be a guy on the other end who would accept matching your order. This actually makes Bitcoin into being the best cryptocurrency to invest in, especially if you are just a beginner. Also, Bitcoin's influence and mass adoption are expected to rise in the years to come. The adoption wasn't only made by individuals, but also by huge investment firms, like MicroStrategy, who have purchased $250 million in Bitcoin. Lately, Bitcoin has also become an authorized payment form with PayPal's wallets and Square's Cash App. By the way, you should know that as demand increases, the price will probably continue to rise as there is a limit of the blocks mining. The maximum number of Bitcoins is 21 millions. And the more Bitcoins would be mined, the harder and the more expensive it would get to mine more. You can learn more about this by reading articles about Bitcoin mining. By the way, Bitcoin and other crypto mining is also a great way to make money, but that's a subject for another video in the future. Second crypto that might explode in 2021, Litecoin, LTC. Litecoin is another cryptocurrency that has a very high liquidity and a large market cap. This makes it a great choice for investors who want to avoid risks. But what is the reason we think Litecoin will make you money this year and in the years to come? Well, it has a limited supply of 84 million coins and its block reward is 12.5 LTC, which is a super high reward compared to other currencies. Also, the average time to mine a block is only 2 minutes, which is also quicker than most other cryptos. When you also add the fact that Litecoin is one of the big 4 cryptos on Coinbase, many experts are saying that whatever happens in the future, Litecoin will probably remain one of the cryptos that will be worth holding throughout 2021. By the way, if you haven't heard of Coinbase, it's time for you to know. They are one of the biggest crypto wallets all over the world. The third crypto that might explode in 2021? Ethereum, ETH. Want to be sure you will make money this year? You almost can't go wrong with Ethereum. Ethereum, the world's second largest crypto by market cap, had started the idea of smart contracts. It's simply a method of doing transactions without the need of a third-party network. In order to make it work, you can read more about this technology on Google. The currency seniority, technology, and market cap made experts think that it is going to be a major superstar in 2021 and for the decades to come. And remember, large market cap currencies are always a great choice for beginners or those who want to avoid major risks. Just like Bitcoin, there will always be someone willing to buy or sell Ethereum. One more strong point for Ethereum, according to the experts, is that it has a loyal team and community. It makes them believe that Ethereum has a great chance of staying stable and increasing value very well for the years to come. In addition to the limit of Ether or Ethereum tokens is much less strict in comparison to Bitcoin or Litecoin, which means it could become a daily method of payment instead of a rare asset that everybody keeps for themselves forever. Also, don't forget that the Ether fuels the DApp ecosystem. It means that millions of developers and companies will always need it to support their smart contracts and launching their applications. By the way, you should know that Ethereum blockchain is so stable that it has been chosen to support even different tokens, Tron for example. Fourth crypto that might explode in 2021? Basic Attention Token, BAT. BAT has been very hot in the market since 2018 till today and looks like it will continue to grow in 2021. Basic Attention Token, BAT, is a utility token that is used by the desktop Brave browser. This browser is built on Chrome's engine, but it prevents big companies like Facebook into tracking your activity across the web. The BAT token is made to tip content creators, tutors, and bloggers. People can choose how to tip them for any useful information. And it has a lot of potential as the web browser community is big and worldwide. Also, regular users can get rewarded in BAT just for viewing ads. This rewarding system brings more and more users, and it made this browser into a well-known player in the field. The man behind that is Brandon Ike, a co-founder of Mozilla Firefox and one of the creators of JavaScript. With all of these, experts are pretty sure that the future of BAT is bright and shiny. The demand of BAT is probably going to grow, and that will lead to even greater token values in 2021. Actually, the future of BAT really depends on how the community of Brave browser would grow, and if people would keep adopting their idea. Fifth crypto that might explode in 2021? Cardano, ADA. Ever heard about Cardano? Because if not, you should know that Cardano is here since 2015. And it seems that it is going to be another 2021 superstar. Cardano was the first crypto that suggests the idea of Ouroboros blockchain, which is really two blockchains that are working side by side. The first blockchain is dealing with regular transactions, while the other one is handling smart contracts. The reason for separating these two is that it makes Cardano ensure scalability and speed, as the two types of transactions won't collide and slow each other down. Also, Cardano is using a security concept named proof of stake. You can read more about it on Google. And by that, it makes it very similar to Ethereum, but much more secure. You should also read about Cardano's Epoch block transaction system, as it would be too long to cover it in this video. Its market cap stands above $10 billion with a price of 33 cents per coin. 6 crypto that might explode in 2021. Bitcoin Cash BCH. Bitcoin Cash has been created since 2017 as the Bitcoin blockchain was forked out. But don't let its young age fool you. Bitcoin Cash made a lot of noise during its 3 years of existence. Roger Ver, also known as Bitcoin Jesus, is often regarded as the man who created Bitcoin Cash. Previously, he was a very enthusiastic supporter of Bitcoin. But like many other Bitcoin Cash supporters, he believed that the original Bitcoin has changed far too much from what it was actually meant to become. Bitcoin Cash supporters didn't like the fact that Bitcoin has adopted things like the Lightning Network and SegWit 2x. They believe these are unnecessary and that they are not fit with the original vision of Satoshi Nakamoto, founder of Bitcoin. It is also worth knowing that Bitcoin Cash has much lower fees for transaction than Bitcoin, as well as its price is a lot cheaper. In 2020, Bitcoin Cash was reaching almost 9 billion market cap and was getting close to $500 per coin. 7th crypto that might explode in 2021. Binance Coin BNB. Binance Coin is one of the best ways to diversify your portfolio with strong cryptos like BTC and ETH. It is one of the most liquid cryptos right now, ranked within the top 10 on CoinMarketCap. The company behind Coin, Binance, ranked at the world's biggest crypto exchange in 2018. Their coin has been developed by an experienced team, and its main idea is to be a utility token. The price of Binance Coin is actually determined by how useful it is, and also with the level of demand for its utility. The success behind Binance Exchange is one of the major points which makes investors believe that the company had the skills and resources to make their coin another success. Binance Coin volume is growing as well. And the price? It had multiplied 3 times in the previous year. Any transaction on the Binance exchange are done using Binance Coin. That's making BNB trading volume as one of the fastest growing this year. 8th crypto that might explode in 2021. Tron, TRX. Actually, Tron has been added to this list because its company acquired BitTorrent a couple of years ago. In the long term, developing more secure and decentralized torrenting methods could lead to big things for this company and their value. Because of that, Tron is considered to be an ambitious initiative. Many experts believe it will continue to grow in the years to come. Also, there are 4 million Tron accounts as of 2021. That growth is pretty impressive and reflects Tron's huge potential, because there are very few cryptocurrencies that can claim to have such many users. Throughout 2020, CoinMarketCap ranked Tronix, the actual name of the cryptocurrency, as 15th on the list of the largest cryptocurrencies by the market cap. Tronix is also used to pay or tip content creators across the web, just like BAT. Of course, these coins can be exchanged for other cryptos after the payment. For all these reasons, experts say that TRX has a very bright future, and it may be a great opportunity for smart investment in 2021. 9th crypto that might explode in 2021. EOS. EOS is the kingdom of Ethereum ex-investors. Some of them even call it the Ethereum killer. They are saying that EOS is better than Ethereum because it lacks the requirement to know how to code in Solidity for developing dApps. EOS is also well known for developing a comfortable environment for developers. It includes account management services and even a database creation system for non-programmers. Investors also like the fact that EOS platform is a lot more user-friendly and performs faster than Ethereum and Bitcoin. Additionally, users don't have to pay gas fees to use the network. There is a group of 21 gatekeepers who are in control of transactions instead. Finally, EOS completed a pretty impressive token sale. They even stated that they have acquired more than the capital they have needed to make EOS reach its full potential in 2021. They even stated that they have acquired more than the capital they have needed to make EOS reach its full potential in 2021 and the years to come. 10th crypto that might explode in 2021, Ripple XRB. When it comes to talk about market cap, Ripple is ranked 4th in the world. Actually, the idea of Ripple is a little different than the rest of cryptocurrencies we have talking about. Ripple is a financial settlement service for banks, which allow them to make international transactions directly and instantly. That make Ripple more oriented toward large institutions rather than other cryptos which are more appealing to individual users. Ripple has already partnered with huge institutions like Bank of America and Banco Santander. And there is no doubt that a lot of more big sharks are going to join the boat. Experts are very sure that Ripple might explode in 2021 and in the years to come because of their institutional support and the fact that they are being safe from the SEC, which is US Securities and Exchange Commission regulation. XRB is surely a smart investment according to the cryptocurrency community, and indeed one of the best cryptos out there. So here are some final words about investing in cryptocurrencies. Now after you have got a good understanding about the top 10 cryptocurrencies that might explode this year, it's likely that you would want to invest in some of those. But keep in mind that investing is a risky process, and it is not recommended to do these kind of things in a rush. Investment decisions need to be made only after spending a significant amount of time in a deep research. Ideally, you should study as much as possible about how your chosen cryptocurrency works. It includes to always keep up with its news and understand what are the things that affect its price. Choosing and judging cryptos only by their market cap, price and volatility is wrong and dangerous. While most of the newbies are throwing money at volatile, risky cryptocurrencies and losing their money, you should be in the minority which are making their fortune with things that are more stable. The more you would take it seriously instead of thinking of it as some sort of a game that is better chance you will be the one making money and laughing at the end. If you choose to invest, you should build a plan and set yourself reasonable goals that you have seen achievable. So which cryptocurrency should you invest in 2021? All of the cryptos we have talked about in this video are considered safe investment by many experts and investors in the industry. They have chosen to be mentioned here as each one of them has a solid team behind it, a huge loyal community, and a proven positive history. Most of them are great for beginners as well. Whether it's your first time trying to invest in cryptocurrencies, or you have some experience and just want to diversify your existing portfolio, many crypto experts are very sure that investing in any of these cryptocurrencies has the potential to make a lot of money. If you want to invest in unknown cryptos that have much less history and users, you should be very careful. This is especially the case when you hear about a small crypto that has exploded in its value, but for no clearly identifiable reason. It is recommended to look only for cryptocurrencies that have established a record. If you like this video, you should subscribe and get updated with more useful information about cryptocurrencies, technology, and investments. Thank you for watching. We hope that you are going to make a lot of money.